All right, what's up, guys? We are here in Pagosa Springs, Colorado. Today we've got Winterfest going on, and we are freezing. It's like 7 degrees out here. But first out of the gate, we're going to have some balloon mass ascension. We're going to have some polar plunge. We're going to have some snow bike racing and some awesome downhill sledding. So we're going to check everything out. I'm also here with my friend and fellow photographer Justin. Say hey, Justin.
Hola, you too.
And we're gonna get set up, and we're gonna film some balloons and let you guys check it out. All right, stay with us. Man, it's freaking cold out here. Sucking all the juice out of my batteries. Guys over here setting up the balloon. All right, well, we got some balloon footage. We're gonna head down and see if we can catch the mountain bike race in the snow. Man, we just couldn't get much going on here. There's just so many balloons and the batteries are going dead very quickly. So, all right, we'll cruise down there and see what we can catch. We are here down at Yamaguchi Park and got some setup going. It's kind of hard to get some footage down here though. The lighting is, sun is just coming over here to the east side. So, and my gimbal has cratered. Just so you guys know that we're filming on kind of a budget thing here because we've got the iPhone using Filmic Pro with the Osmo Mobile 2, and then we're also filming on the Mavic Pro 2, and so it's a struggle, but hang with us. You know, as our budget grows and things like that, well, we're gonna get a little bit better, get some better microphones, and yeah, it'll definitely look and sound better, but you got to work with what you got. So, all right, well, let's check out some snow bike racing. We're headed over the San Juan River. We're gonna check out the polar plunge. These guys have got something going on. I don't understand how they did that, but they've, used to say, got cajones. Let's get down here and check it out. We need to be a little bit closer, so we're gonna go on down. Oh my gosh. We're like 35 degrees. It feels like freaking 60 degrees out here in the sun. And we're gonna watch these guys go for broke. Wow, this is gonna be incredible. I don't know if we can get this thing launched fast enough to catch everyone, but we're gonna try to.
we hope you guys enjoyed Pagosa Springs Winterfest. We will bring you guys some more of Pagosa Springs in the future, but we just wanted to get a jump start on the Winterfest. Remember, if you like us, like our channel, like our content, hit the subscribe button down here at the bottom, ring the bell up top if you want to be notified of our new videos, and hit that thumbs up button as well if you like it too. But we cannot leave until we get Lisa's beer of the week. What are we doing today, Lisa?
Okay, so I thought we'd stay on that tropical IPA thing that we did last time I talked to you. That's been an incredibly popular style for the past year or so. So this one is Can O Bliss, the tropical IPA from Oscar Blues, which is in Longmont. They have a few outposts as well. That's my beer. We even got it in the Oscar Blues pint glass. Awesome nose on this one. Really get that citrus out of it. A little bit of pineapple too. And then when you taste it, actually it's less citrus forward. A lot of those hops coming out as well. Sort of more the piney characteristic of the hop. So right up my alley. I enjoy it.
Very good. All right, if you guys get a chance to pick one of these up at your local store, then grab one. Remember, none of our videos are sponsored at all yet, so this is all our own doing.
Yeah.
And we will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.
Bye.